Keeper. Penny chop. 8 seconds. Penny.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Hey, what's up guys, Rihanna here, and I'll be showing you the breakdown of Perm's 5.31, and he's definitely my favorite speedcuber, and I'm sure the favorite of most of you. And you know, I always wanted to make a video about him, so let's start with this one. Alright, he did red cross, but as you all know, for your convenience, I'm gonna show you on white. So if you would like to have it on the white side as well, just hold the cube like that and then scramble your cube. Well, first things first, let's just find the cross pieces. There are here, 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 and here, and super easy cross. These three can be solved only with a D2, just like that. And let's just do the cross. He did D, R, and D. And as you guys can see, for solving the cross, the L side and the B side don't move at all. And I think that's why he could inspect the first of 12 pairs during inspection, which is these two and these two. So for solving the cross, he did D, R, and D. And then he went for the first pair, which goes right there. And then the second pair, real easy, only 3 moves, just like that. And then the third pairs, which goes back there. And for solving the last one, he did a cube rotation, and then he went for it. And here, for inserting the last pair in normal way, like that, he did winter variation, so he did U2, and then put this block over there. And then he brought this empty slot into the top layer, and then he did another U2 and then L. And as you can see, he got last layer skip and then A off. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, but don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tips and tricks, and catch you later.